Hello, I'm Janae Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Existing home sales in the US have fizzled in February after increasing to their highest annual rate in 6 months. The National Association of Realtors reports sales dropped 7.1% over the month, yet they were still 2.2% higher than a year ago. The median house price was also up 4.4% over the year to $210,800. The association says demand is solid, but house prices and rents are outpacing wages. Anxiety about the health of the economy is also holding back a segment of would-be buyers. The US may be in for a rate hike as early as next month. Atlanta Fed President Dennis Lockhart has just come out saying there's enough momentum in the US economy to justify a hike at one of the Fed's coming meetings. He says domestic consumption and employment are looking good, despite uncertainties in the global economy. He maintains the Fed was sitting tight at its meeting last week as it was waiting for some of the volatility in the global financial market to settle. Upbeat on the US's inflation outlook, 2 other non-voting Fed officials have also flagged potential near-term rate hikes, yet their views appear at odds with the Fed Chair Janet Yellen. Alibaba could overtake Walmart to become the world's largest retail network. The Chinese e-commerce giant has just announced its transaction volumes have hit 3 trillion yuan, or $463 billion. Its gross merchandise volume has tripled since 2012 and grown by nearly 50% since last year. We'll find out exactly how it stacks up against Walmart once reporting for the end of the financial year is done. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield has inched up today to 1.91%. The US crude oil price is also holding its ground at $40 a barrel, while Brent remains just over $41 a barrel. Prices have been briefly buoyed by data showing a drawdown in supply from an Oklahoma delivery hub, yet the market's upside is limited by worries US drillers will ramp up output again. The gold price has slipped back a little today to $1,247 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar has weakened slightly overnight. It's at 67.6 US cents, 89.1 Australian cents, and 60.1 euro cents. The TWI is lower at 71.0. I'm Janae Tibshirani, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.